are some tips and tricks to improve your Tableau skills in just 6 minutes. The Tableau test measures 3 important skills. Number 1, listening, number 2, structure, and number 3, reading. Many students find TOEFL difficult because of time pressure, unfamiliar vocabulary, and tricky questions. In this video, we will explain quick strategies followed by practice question and explanation, so you can understand how to answer effectively.
The first one, listening section. For tips and tricks. Number 1, focus on the main idea, not every word. Number 2, listen for keywords. For example, names, places, and numbers. Number 3, be careful with similar sounds. Number 4, avoid answers that just repeat what you heard.
Headphone example question audio script. The student couldn't attend the lecture because she was feeling unwell. Question. Why didn't the student attend the lecture? A. She was busy. B. She was sick. C. She forgot. L.
The question is, why didn't the student attend the lecture? The correct answer is B. Why B? The keyword is feeling unwell, which means sick. The correct answer is a synonym, not the exact same words.
The next section is structure. For tips and tricks, number 1, identify subject and verb first. Number 2, watch out for missing verbs. Number 3, be careful with subject-verbs agreement. Number 4, ignore long phrases and find the main structure. For the example question, what's the answer? The answer is B. Why B? Because the main subject is the nurse, which is singular, not the doctors. The phrase along with the doctor is additional information. So the verb must agree with nurse, which is singular, and the to be is.
Next section is reading. Okay, tips and tricks. Number 1, skim the text for the main idea. Number 2, scan for specific information. And number 3, don't translate word by word. And the last, number 4, look for context clue. For example, the question, what is the main idea of the text? Correct answer is B. Exercise has many benefits. Why B? Explanation, the text mentions several benefits. Improve health, reduce stress, help sleep, exercise energy. So, the best answer is the general idea, not just one type.
In conclusion, improving your Tableau score does not always require long study hours. With the right strategies, you can answer questions more effectively.
In listening, focus on meaning and keywords.
In structure, identify the subject and verb.
In reading, understand the main idea.